Hello and welcome viewers. In today's videos we will see the official specifications of Xiaomi's smartphone Xiaomi Redmi 9 Prime. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specification of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM XSPA LTE and the phone has memory space of 64GB with 4GB of RAM and another version 128GB with 4GB of RAM. The phone is coming in market with 4 colors and the 4 colors are space blue, mint green, matte black and sunrise color. And the USB has micro USB 2.0 which is type C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Display has IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen 16 million colors. Display size is 6.53 inches and 83.2% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.43 into 3.03 into 0.36 inches and the weight was 198 grams. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset MediaTek Helio G80 and the CPU is getting octa-core 2.20 GHz Cortex A75 and 6 into 1.8 GHz Cortex A55. You can get the sensor in the phone are fingerprint rear mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass. And the battery is lithium polymer 4500 mAh non-removable with capacity of fast charging 33 watt. As always, the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano and it comes with a micro SD card dedicated slot. There is a loudspeaker for sound and 3.5mm jack. You can get the main camera quad 13 megapixel flash 2.2 28mm wide and second one 8 megapixel with flash 2.2 118 degree ultra wide, another one 5 megapixel with flash 2.4 macro and last one 2 megapixel with flash 2.4 depth. Video type facility at a maximum of 1080 pixel 30 frame rate per second and get a selfie camera single 8 megapixel with flash 2.2. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Xiaomi Redmi 9 Prime model. Those who like to use a medium range smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Xiaomi can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well. Goodbye.